Hey, welcome back to Initial Speed. Today, off to the Yorkville Exotic Car Show. Let's get going. This time, it is just me. Omar is not able to make it. Unfortunately. Well, you're stuck with me for today. Let's see what we can see. I would love to see an F40, as per usual. An R8 would be nice, the first gen. Pagani, any Pagani would be great. Koenigsegg would be nice. A 355 Ferrari would be great. Anyhow, let's get down there and see what they've got going on, and yeah, have some fun. What's your favorite car? At the end, I'm going to say what my favorite car was. You tell me, what is yours? Down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Let others see some nice cars that we don't get to see every day. Alright, let's go. Nice vet. That's where we're going. Oh boy, look at the group of people there already. Let's go find something. Oh, right off the top. And as I like to say, there's an Audi. Yeah, Omar, I said it. Lamborghini, Audi, same thing. Carrera. Little SS. Okay, more my speed. A Testarossa. Ferrari, of course. Oh, someone got pinched. Alright, one time. Someone spent some time and money. And for you, Omar. It rolls. And yes, it rolls. Dad joke. Oh, I have this one in Mississauga. California. 430. Roma. 458. Ooh, F9. Oh, 355 Spider. Well, I've seen one of the cars I want to see, but seeing how there's so much noise, I guess it's time for me to shut up and just record.
Yeah. Pop in, burning like this, ain't checking my wrist. Third is my shift. Rolling all night like flex. We look at the clips, these credits are lit. Stacking miles, I'm far away from home. I got what I wished for. Taking that risk, I'm checking my list. Marathon man, it's run legit. Can't let it slip when it's all in my grip. Talking too much, he probably not it. All that I did, calls I missed, time I spent. Yeah, that's that blood, sweating my love. Checking that tug, out of the mud. Bro, probably get picked up like a truck. Went in the clutch, that is a must. Wake up, get to it, ain't nothing about it. The only way to it. do it, no way around it. Avoid it, we cruising like the Caribbean with mileage. I'ma always be solid, I'm a young brother with knowledge. Go do the science, dog. Always up like a pilot, dog. Look in my eyes, I'm tired, dog. The time that it takes, I made for the space. Gotta build my empire, dog. I make sales, not a buyer, dog. You don't compare, he a liar, dog. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row.
Seems as though it's easier to get it from behind. Pause. No diddy.
I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Go, 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 go. Get off your phone, can't sit at a green light. This is my podium, talking to 3 mics. I'm not no brand, I have baked the team winning. If I said it, you know that I'm in it. They tryna live on the corner, I've been it. Can't take those chances, ain't talking about in it.
Aston Martin.
They talking like critics. Why you so mad? Go get a bag. I'm in the lab, I don't move the same. Off of the pass, for back in my lane. I cannot sit in one place like a stage. Sharing that paper like ripping a page. I'm gonna be the last one to remain. Walk with the nearest, I'm spitting that flame. Hop out the cycle like it ain't a thing. Doing them heels, we running up. Hotel bar after the gig. Something to sip and getting drunk. For the queso, baby, we gonna dip. Was I bad in them apartments? Started hitting the target. Started flooding the market. Started moving smarter until it runs about the garden. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Stack it up till it can't fold. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10 in a row. I just did 10, gotta go. Go, 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 go.
Second gen. Still want to see my first. Old school Hummer. Volvo. They've definitely come a long way. that was it. Whew, it's hard doing it by yourself. Well, 2025 Yorkville Father's Day exotic car show. That's what we took down. It's time to go home. If I see anything else on the way, I'll be sure to let you know. Till next time, initial speed out.